Hello everyone. Today I'm showing you the September mystery. I am so excited for this mystery kit because I think it's my favorite of the entire year. I feel like January was also one of my favorites, but I just feel like this one's so good and it's anytime, which is perfect. Our mystery kits always feature exclusive art, so you will not find it anywhere else. This mystery kit is no longer available, so if you sign up next month, it would be for a future mystery. If you're ever looking for the date on when you can sign up, it is on the website under frequently asked questions and policies. And if you scroll down, there's a whole mystery section that gives you a breakdown of the timeline, when you can sign up, changing addresses, canceling, things like that. It's all on the website. So if you're looking for this mystery in particular, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group. As people get them, if it's not their vibe, they will post them on there. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm just so pumped. I'm just so pumped. I was talking about it in this week's new release video, which I literally just filmed. These releases will be up today at Wednesday, noon Eastern, or if it's past that time, they're already up. So check that out. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm just so excited. Okay, so, oh my God, I'm ready. All right, this is my favorite one. Okay, are you ready? This is the September mystery kit, and I am just pumped. I've had on my list to do like an at-home movie night, like kind of like home theater vibes, kind of like a date almost situation for I think 2 years now for the mystery. And I wanted to do kind of like a really nice neutral modern color scheme because that's kind of been what's popular, and I am beyond obsessed with how this turned out. This is art by Jess Jess, and I just feel like she killed it when this art came through. I feel like whenever it comes to any art, I always have a vision of how it's going to turn out, but whenever this came through in my email, I was like, wow, I could not have imagined this better. Like, this is like beyond anything. I just think it's such a pretty kit, and it's definitely anytime vibes. It's just the food. You got the movies in there, more food. You got gorgeous fashion options in here. I love the scene. It's really pretty, and we got more throughout, so let's go ahead and get into it. So you have the two fashion options here, which are just gorgeous, like goals, like both goals. Super cute little popcorn maker with the popcorn sitting out. This amazing little like movie inspired board with the remote. A stack of movies, which are so many good ones in here, and then the little cookie and milk. And then over here you have some candles, matches, M&Ms, ice cream, a super cute phone with a movie bucket list on it. You have like an Oreo in there, M&Ms scattered around. It's just kind of like what I want to do in life. Then on this page here, you can see the colors better, which are so pretty. I really like them. I don't think I've done a kit with similar colors ever. So you have this really like muted dark navy, a nude, and then this like taupey brown, as well as a like a muted forest green, maybe hunter green, maybe. You have the scene here, which is a little different than that one's, just kind of a different vibe of the couch. Got really cozy vibes there with all of the lighting is really gorgeous in these scenes with all of the different like candles you can see. I feel like Jess did a really good job with kind of illuminating the different areas, and I think that really gives like a really cozy vibe, which I love. Again, deco page, you have the glitter headers, the patterned half boxes, the labels, the pattern labels, the bottom washi, which is so pretty. I love this like tie-dye with that. It's just so nice. And it just kind of looks like an art piece that you'd have on the wall in this scene. You have the two extra fashion options here, as well as another color, which is a gray. And then you have the bottom washi, which is that deep navy color, some boxes. You have a hand holding the remote with like a little Coke on the side. And then over here you have some PJs and some more movies with the little popcorn bowl. And I just love this kit. It's just so good. So anytime, I feel like you could also use it for like if you're having like a night where you watch movies with your friends, your partner. You could use it for an anniversary if you wanted to, like we're just really chill at home, general movie night, anytime you're just watching movies by yourself, having a good time with some snacks. I just feel like it's a really good one, and I just think the colors are really pretty, and it's just a vibe. I love the lighting throughout. Just everything that I could want in a kit. So this is, like I said, I think my favorite of the year. January obviously holds a very high place in my heart every year, in January mystery this year coming up. Oh my God, so good. so many extras in that mystery. So be sure to be signed up for January as well. It's really, really pretty. I listened to y'all from last year. Y'all love January mystery, but I heard some things and I listened. So be excited about that one. So September mystery, there is a foil bundle included, and I just think it's perfect. So you have the twinkle with the silver. I feel like this kit could go like silver gold. You could even do rose if you're feeling wild. Really anything. There's no rules. So you have the silver. I think it'll pop really nice against the darker colors. But again, if you wanted to save it out for gold, I think that'd be really pretty as well. Or if you wanted to do like a matte bronze, which is coming in a mystery soon, or a matte taupe would be really nice. So you do get 2 pages there that have the full boxes and the header overlays. You do get the 2 pages of bougie boxes. You do also get the icons and the scripts, as well as the fancy headers, the deco, the date numbers, and the bottom washi. Super nice in a very classic color and a classic design that you can either pair with the kit or put it with another one and it'll look gorgeous. So that is this month's mystery kit. Like I said, if you are looking for it and you are not subscribed, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group. If you sign up for next month's mystery, or you sign up at the next spot opening, it will be for a different kit. Let me show y'all the mini real quick. The mini is the more affordable option. So you do have the same full boxes, the same deco page, same glitter header page. This is the mini kit page with your boxes and labels and such. The bottom washi, and then you do also have the extra page here with more labels, the extra color, and more fashion options as well. I just love this kit. I think it's so pretty. This one you also do get the matte silver foiled freebie. I just love it. I hope that y'all love it too. I am so pumped to use it. I'll probably be using it in either January, February, or March, or really anytime. I don't know. Or also I might save it for the summer because I feel like I do a lot of anytime kits in the summer. But I think this would be really cute in March because it has those greens in there. I don't know, lots of time. So if you guys are planning on using this, when would you use it? Let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I will talk to you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching and see you later.